What if you could spot a trade before it moved and you just wait for price to come to you? That's exactly what happened with the setup I posted in my YouTube video that I did on Friday. And it hit today, Monday, for a clean, profitable trade. Hi, I'm your host, Ryan Nocera, and I help regular people become professional level traders without the stress, guessing, sitting at your screen all day. And in this video, I want to walk you through a trade I posted last Friday. I posted it in my private members area. But more importantly, I did a big picture analysis video on the SPY on Friday, and I marked out the zone, explained exactly what I was looking for. We didn't have to chase anything; we just waited. Today, price came right into that zone, triggered the entry, and delivered the move we wanted. And I have the screen up right here, and it's right around the 550 mark that I labeled the trade I wanted to that I really liked. Okay, now I'm going to share this video in the description. So if you want to just want proof, go watch the video, and I'm gonna isolate to that minute, but watch the whole thing. So here's the actual post from Friday, where I did the analysis. You can go in and see it, and like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description. And then if we fast forward to today, let me get Trading View up here. Okay, great. So here it is. This is a 2-hour chart that I was looking at, and I will tell you why I have that up in a second. But let's go to the 30. And it's clear as day, right? That is the exact. You see where wick touched that black line there, and then we got this reaction here. Shabam, right? You'll notice here it started to slow down right around 11 o'clock in this vicinity here. So I was like, let's cut it right there. It was about 2.5 to 1. Now it went. Let's see. Three, just around 3.5, which is fine. Great. I mean, we took our profits, it kept going, but just as easily when price is stalling, it just as easily could spike up or down. So why leave profit on the table, right? Now, this blue is here because I isolated this as like an area that I was concerned about. Price was going to start digging in here, but it's going to take a while, right? So this is a lot of price action there. And if I tighten this up a little bit, you'll see the price action to the left. You know what? Maybe let's make this an hourly. We'll save some time there. In the orange there, this is all part of it. So it's going to drill through the blue, and it still has to get through that area in the orange, right? So we can approach that 600 area. Here's the problem. By the time we're at 592 right now in the post market, and by the time we get closer to 600, you're going to have a euphoria, and that's a decision point here where that's a good area of supply. It still has juice left in it. That 600 to 605 area, it could knock price back to now. For how long? We'll have to see when it actually happens. So that's why you should. Oh, before I forget, if you would hit the like button and then subscribe, comment any questions you have. I answer all comments. So go ahead and post that below, but definitely subscribe because when we get to that 605 area, I'll do another video and we'll see where we're at. Are we gonna drill in through it, or are we likely? Sorry, I got a couple of screens here. I couldn't find my mouse. Are we going to drill into it? We're going to gap above it, and we'll see what we can do and what we can make out of it. But this was a nice trade, whether you did it with the leverage ETFs, the SPY itself, or you bought calls. I prefer calls, just so much cheaper, right? And Mitch is great. Mitch has that list of tracking stocks. I don't know if you've watched that video. You should look for it on. We really based it on the video, but it's on a bunch of stocks, so that the ETFs are great for that. Makes it a lot cheaper. But this was a very nice trade on the 30-minute chart. Let's go back to it, and then I had another one below on the 2-hour. And you can see how price is digging through here. But we do this twice a week on Zoom. We have live market analysis, Q&A, all that kind of good stuff. And then we have a live chat room that spins out 24/7 with like trade idea, not 24/7, you don't really, it's open 24/7, but at the end of the day, it's, we don't trade all night. Our approach is more of a set and forget approach. So if you like what you see here and you're interested in actually learning how you could have been ahead of the curve and gotten into this type of trade, go ahead, look in the description. You can see the video link there, but more importantly, you're going to see my calendar link there. Grab that calendar link. Find a time that works for you. We can have a one-on-one conversation. I'll take you through my process, what trade looks like. I'll even set up a trade right in front of you, so you can see the process done in real time. Again, so that calendar link will be in the description. If you would, very minimum, do me a favor and just like this video. It tells the algorithm that our content's good. But I just wanted to take a second. I didn't plan on doing a video today, but when a trade like that worked out so well, there are a lot of people beating their chest online, I know, talking about things, and this was a nice $7 move off of that. Even if you just got $5 or $6 off of it, it's still pretty nice. So I thought it called for me doing a little extra video, and talking about the trade and the analysis. Let's see if we push up. Let's see if we push the 600. Is that going to be this week? I don't know. I'm just taking the market day by day. But with that, folks, I will let you go and keep this video relatively short. Go ahead and grab that link in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.